I am at Rattlesnake Point today, and it's a gorgeous day to see the views off the escarpment. You have the choice of wide, smooth trails from the conservation area or rough, rocky ones from the Bruce Trail. The entrance and parking is off of Appleby Line. You do need to reserve parking in advance, especially in spring, summer, fall. The trail that I took visited 3 different lookouts, and return trip was about 4 kilometers. You can also take a trail over to Crawford Lake Conservation Area, and that is about 5.5 kilometers.